Alright, I just completed step 2 of this 24 to 48 volt upgrade to my home solar power system. And what that entailed was converting 48 volts down to 12 volts so I can run my fan, lights, and accessories. And let's get right in here and I'll show you. I won't make this a terribly long video, but I want to make sure everybody gets to see what I'm doing here. So what I did is take out this buck converter that I've had in there for years and install this Victron DC to DC converter. It's a buck converter. I just got it all wired up. I used 10 gauge THHN rated wires right there. It's got a fuse on it, and I just adjusted it for 13.1 volts using my tweaker right here in this little pot right here. And that's all it was. And I've got it adjusted up to 13.1 volts. The fan is running. I can turn it on, turn it off right here. Yeah. And also the box light works right here, which is right down there. Good to go. Oh, and I didn't get a chance to vacuum out the fan, but I can do that anytime. And there you have it. This thing isn't going to be working very hard. There's not much output current going on here at all. So just let it sit there. But I wanted a nice unit for here, and shout out to Dale in Ohio for recommending this Victron. Orion /TR48-12-20. Alright, on to step 3, reprogramming the midnights.